I'm making this cup out of some cherry scraps, just cutting out a bunch of 3.5-inch pieces and then gluing that together into a block. I'm using this lathe attachment that just screws on, rather than the one you hammer in, because I'm only going to have one point of contact as I carve out the inside. I'm starting with the roughing gouge just to turn the block into a cylinder. Now what some people do is they cut off the corners to make this a lot faster. So that's something you can try, but it is a lot of fun doing it this way. To make this really look like a barrel, I'm going to need the rings, so I'm starting with the spindle gouge to initially cut them in. Now instead of staining or finding some other way to color these in after, I'm going to try friction burning using an oak dowel. Now I don't know if this is an official method, but I cranked up the speed on the lathe and just held the dowel up there until it started burning, and this actually worked very effectively, so I thought it was a pretty good idea. But let me know in the comments if you have a better idea for burning in things on the lathe. Next, I'm drilling out the center partially with my hand drill. Now some people can do this on a lathe. I don't have a bit that holds in my lathe, or maybe my lathe just doesn't support that, so I had to do this part with a hand drill. But this worked out totally fine, and it made it easier for me to carefully gauge how deep I actually want the cup part of this. But then I could put it back on the lathe and start carving out the inside of the cup.